Guys, so today in math we're going to review T numbers, and I have a couple of different ways to show you T numbers. We're going to work on looking at ones and tens. We're going to look at bundling tens and then counting on. We're going to look at our 10 frames. So the first thing I want you to look at is our number line. When we look at the number line, remember all our numbers, 0, which I don't have, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, all of them are one digit. That means they have one number. Once we get to tens, we move to tens, and we have one group of tens. Remember, one group of tens. All of these together, we know that they're all together. That equals 10. If I show you this, a tens frame, and I have all the boxes filled in like I do on this, there's 10 of them. So another way I'm going to show you a group of 10 that we're going to practice this week with is our popsicle stick. So let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So when I have 10 of them, I'm taking them together and I'm going to bundle them up with my rubber band. So I have 10 of them, you saw me count, and I'm going to bundle them up with the rubber band, and this will always be 10. So I have 10, I have 10, and I have 10. So this shows me that we have 10. Now, when we talk about T numbers, we always have a group of 1, tens, and then we have some more. So right now we have, let's start with our cubes, we have a group of tens. And hopefully it'll stick. So that is my group of tens. Now, when we go to 11, we have one group of tens, which is underlined in red, and then we have 1, 1. That is one digit. Take away the group of tens, we have 1, 1, we have 1. Put the group of tens back, we're back to 11. So this is our group of tens. If I put 5 ones, I still have one group of 10 and 5 ones, my number is 15. Easy to write. We have one group of 10, 5 ones. Now, if I take away the 5 and I add that many, I count. One group of 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I put an 8. I now have a group of 10, 8 ones, group of 10, 8 ones. My number is 18. This is because all T numbers start with 1 because it's one group of 10 and how many ones? One more is 19. And if I add another one, I get 20. And then this changes, finding my eraser, this changes to a group of two tens and 0 ones. And all of these over here would go together like this. So I have 10 of them. And when they go together into 10, because we no longer have single digits, we go to double digits. It is 2 groups of 10 and 0 ones. So there's 0 over here, but there's 2 groups. And that would take us to go up to 100 when we count. Now, let's go back to our popsicle sticks. I'm going to move these off right here and show you that we still have one group of popsicle sticks. And if I pick up 1, 2, 3, 4 popsicle sticks and write a 4, I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I still have my teens. One group of 10, 4 ones. So I'm going to keep my group of 10s. I'm going to put my group of 10s down here real quick. Let's count how many ones I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have my one group of 10s. I have my 7 ones. My number is 17. All right. Do one more with the popsicle sticks. Okay. I have my one group of 10s, and then I have 1, 2 ones. I have a group of 10 and 2 ones, and my number is 12. Now, I can do the same thing that I did over here with my blocks. And when I count another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and if I take these 10 and bundle them up with a rubber band, I now have 2 10s and 0 1s. Gotta pick up my pen. So I have 2 10s and 0 1s, and that makes 20. All right. Our other example is our 10 frames. Now we've been using our 10 frames, and we know that when I fill one all up, there's 10. I don't need to count them, I know they're 10. So I can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know I have one group of 10s and 5 1s. It's a 1 and a 5, and if I write it, it would be 15. So there we go. A 1 and a 5 is 15. All right, let's do another one. Okay. I have one group of 10, which are the yellow ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 red ones. I have a 1 and an 8. I put them together and I get 18. Awesome. Okay, last one. I'm going to take some off this time. All right, there we go. I have one group of 10, 1, 1. Put them together, I get a 1 and a 1, and my number is 11. So those are 3 different ways I can show you how to do tens and use team numbers using our cubes, using popsicle sticks, and using our tens frame. Now, another way that we can show tens and team numbers is by doing tally marks. We did tally marks early on, and I'm just going to use this right now for tally marks. So let's move you over. So when we do tally marks, a tally mark is a straight line. So we're just going to really quick introduce tally marks today again, and by the end of the week, hopefully you remember. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. When I have 4 tally marks, then number 5 gets crossed. So we're going to do 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and cross it. That's 5. And then 5 plus 5 more equals 10. So that is a group of 10. So 2 5s is a group of 10. Then I can do 1, 2. So if I have 10 here and 2 more, so I have 1 here and 2 more, that equals 12. So 10 plus 2 more equals 12. All right, we'll do one more. I'm going to do one more tally. I'll show you one more tally mark. So we have 5 plus 5 equals 10. And I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a 5. And do one more. So we have 5, 6. We have 10. 6 more equals a 1 and a 6. My answer is 16. So 10 plus 6 equals 16. All right, I know this is a hard concept. I know that tally marks are harder because you have to group them in 5. I just wanted to give you an idea of what that looked like because I wanted you to see the other way. So remember, tens are, when we do team numbers, we have a group of 10 and some ones, like the song says. All right, guys, I hope that that helped a little bit. We will review again tomorrow. You will have an activity on where you are going to make some team numbers for me. So you can work on that. All right, guys, I will talk to you later and have a wonderful day. See you later. Bye.